and it will search MS for us to open in. So system is bit slow, so wait for the moment it is opening. So it is opening up. Okay, now MS Access is opened up, and I'm sharing my screen.
आपकी स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं हो रही.
Okay, just wait for a minute. I'm sharing movement to present in front of you. Okay, so are you able to see it now?
No, sir.
Is it visible? Are you able to see screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the MS Access window opens up, and we are creating another database, and today we will be discussing forms in database. Okay, for making forms we need to create the database. So I'm creating the database. Okay, with the name of form database I have created this database. Okay, and okay, so first let me create a table for that form. Okay, suppose that I'm creating a table. So how can we create a table? Table design, ID. Okay, number, even we can select auto number as well. So ID will be created automatically for us. Name, okay, just wait for a minute. System is hanging up a bit slow due to network connectivity issue. Okay, so name, okay, I have been taken as text. Mobile number, so it is I'm taking as number. Okay, we can also change the size to double. Okay, and address. So address we are taking as text. Okay, and save this table. Info table. I'm saving this table as info table name. Okay, it is asking for the primary key. Okay, so do you want to get yes? So field name ID has been created as primary key. Okay, and this table is now blank. Okay, there is no record in this table. and table is created for us. So now we have three three methods for creating forms. First one is form view, second one is design view, and third one is layout view. Okay, from form view, okay, so create, here is the form. Okay, we can create a form from here. Okay, form design, okay, blank form, okay, more forms we have. Okay, so this is how we can create the form. So first of all, I'm creating on the form. Okay, so once I created on that form, okay, the access is smart enough to identify the present table in the database. Okay, so the table, it is automatically detect there is only one table and we have no records in that, right? So the form has been created, okay, for info table. Okay, you can see that here. Okay, once I click on that form, automatically forms created. Okay, right? So we can change the layout for that, all that thing we can do. What this view is sufficient, I can make some changes, format here. Okay, visibility, yes, decimal place, okay, top right. Okay, this is what the design view of the form. Okay, event, what event we can do? Okay, enter the text on diary, change focus, lost focus, on mouse down, mouse, these are the events we can handle on this form. Event means whatever click, done, or save, these are the events. Okay, click is also one of the kind of event. Once I click on this form, what's supposed to be happen? Okay, so this is what. Let's make the entries in this table. Okay, there is no entry as of now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Layout we can change, tabular form. Okay, stack. Okay, these are the grids. Okay, this is how it is working. So this form has been created for this table. Let's see if I enter some info from here. Okay, ABC, mobile number, I have entered some number. Okay, so
Yes,
this first record I have been entered in this table. Okay, it is not fetching the record now. Okay, so data. Okay, name, right, and data source, mobile number, automatically it is showing. Okay, and this is showing the address. Enable yes, database default. Okay, so this is how the form is created for this table. Okay, and And second option for creating form is form design. Okay, we can create a form from the design. Okay, just wait for a minute. Form design. Form design. Let's do it again. Select that table and design a form. Here you can design the form according to the table. Okay. Okay. Student info subform, right? Okay. So again, this form is created. Just wait for a minute. You can see that. Okay. You can enter the name. Yes. Any question?
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
excuse me, sir.
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए.
सर सर वीडियो दिखाई नहीं दे रही. सर प्रेजेंटेशन.
Presentation. Are you not able to see it? Okay. Now let's.
सर अब आ गई.
Okay. This might be the problem of network. Okay. So I believe. Okay. So this form is also designed it according to the table. Okay. Just wait for a minute. I'm not saving this form. Okay. Again, I'm closing this form. And other is layout view. Okay. In layout view, we can select the table. Okay. Just wait for a minute. Form wizard. Okay. Okay. So using form wizard, I can select the fields. Okay. Select all fields at once. Click next. Okay. Column format, tabular. Okay. Data sheet. Okay. This is justified. Okay. So this is basically the form design it is showing. Okay. It's the tabular format. I'm making it empty. Okay. Next. Okay. What would you like? Okay. Office plugin. These all things, different types of. Okay. This is given. Controls are here. So just I'm making it office. And finish it. Once I finish it, it is as simple as that. Okay. It's been created. Mobile number. Okay. And again
सर आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं हो रही।
Screen, are you not able to see it with screen? Okay, just wait for a minute. Just wait for a minute. I'm sharing my entire screen. Okay. Vishal, stop presenting now. Vishal, if you guys will present in between, then you will not able to see my screen. You guys have to stick to my screen only. Okay. I'm presenting my entire screen. Okay, so you will see it. Okay, properly. Okay. So this form has been designed it, and again enter some information. Are you able to see it now? Not yet. Just wait for a minute. Are you able to see it?
नो सर।
No.
नो सर।
I believe it is presenting.
आवाज
Just
क्लियर नहीं आ रही।
wait for a minute. Let me check it out. Pin to my presentation screen. Okay, in title bar, so you can see that.
सर स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है।
Okay,
सर अभी भी।
just wait for a minute. System is quite slow now, so that's why it is taking time in presentation. Okay. Okay, I believe now it is showing over there. Okay, so let's wait for the time and it will work. Okay, so you can see here I'm entering the data in this table and it is automatically filling it out. Okay, so let's see our table and I'm refreshing this table. Okay, so you can see here the data has been entered using the form. What form we have created, and that is entering the data in our table. Okay, so this is how we can create the form using MS
सर
Excel. Okay,
स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही और सर आपकी आवाज भी कट कट आ रही है।
okay, sound is breaking, but it might be the system issue or network issue, right? So I believe the data you are seeing here entered by the user form. Okay, so here it is the user form. Okay, table info user form we have created it, and it is entering the data one by one. Okay, so this is how we can enter the data, even though we can change the layout of the form. Okay, so just wait for a minute. View property. here you can see that design view has opened. Okay, so these views you can open and modify accordingly. So this is different, this is different. Okay, so we have created 3 or more forms. Okay, layout view we can open here. We can open layout view. Okay, this is the layout view. Okay, so now you can move through the record. So in layout view you can directly, you cannot make entry. Okay, but you can view the data. Okay, so this is the layout. Actually it shows the layout of the table. Okay, whatever table you are using that. Okay, so this is how we can create the forms in MS Access. This is very easy, and we can create, and it depends on the practice. Do practice as much as you can, so you will be much familiar and much comfortable in using MS Access and creating tables and all that thing in MS Access database. Okay, so MS Access, MS SQL Server, these are the similar. Okay, but the way it uses the platform and software is different. That's why MS SQL has some SQL Server has some advantages over MS Access, and it is not the topic to discuss here, and we will discuss once in encounter. Okay, so MS Access is sufficient for 8 standard of students. So do practice as much as you can, or create
Yes,
table,
sir.
retrieve records, insert records in table. Okay, so this is uh, how you can create the table. So let's go to the table again. Okay, this is the table, and here is the view of the table. You can see, okay, data sheet view, pivot table view, okay, pivot chart, and design view. You can view this table according your need. Okay, okay, so here is the design view of the table, right? So this is basically, you can open and think about that whatever the information, or you can insert lot more things in this table, or how versatile you can make this table to this, and how much practice you can do. So do it from here, and some other things we can see. Okay, split forms. Create a split form that shows the data sheet in the upper section and form in the lower section, entering the information about the record. So split form you can create it from here. Okay, and that is not part of your I mean, it's not given in your curriculum. So by the way, I'm leaving this, but this is the different view you can see here. Okay, so this is navigating through the records. Okay, grid line, width, okay, logo, these all things you can do. Okay, conditions, okay, date and times, all these things you can do. You can navigate through the, okay, now it is coming forth. Okay, these all the records, navigation of the record, it's navigating through the records, right? And one more thing you can, some other,
Sir, your screen is not visible.
yes, tell me any question.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Create is the tab. Okay, go to the create. Here you can create lot more things. Okay, you can create table, table template, SharePoint. Okay, table design, forms. Okay, first is table, second one is form. Okay, third one is reports, and fourth one other, that is the query wizard and all that thing. Okay, reports, you can create the reports, design a reports. Okay, so query wizard, you can create the query. Macro, you can record a macro, create a macro. Okay, module, insert module. Okay, this is the different thing and it is not in your subject, so I'm leaving it for now. But for query, you can create the query from here, query wizard. Okay, just let's figure out. I want, okay, simple query wizard. Okay, okay, let's do it. What information you want to, which field you want in your query. Okay, so id. Okay, next and finish. Okay, so here is the field is visible. Okay,
Sir,
so
screen is not visible.
screen not visible. Okay, query screen not visible, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now table is visible.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, just wait for a minute. Just wait for a minute. Some error occurred during the presentation. Okay, that was showing. Okay, so this is how we can discuss form. Okay, lot more forms are there and do practice for forms. Next next topic, next class we will discuss about queries. Okay, so that and after that uh, that unit we will start tables in HTML. Okay, we will start HTML because MS Access is about to finish. Okay, we have last topic
Okay, sir.
queries in MS Access, and we will teach you how can we query a record from MS Access table, and how can we retrieve data, and how can we display in the format. Okay, so now the times is up. Okay, practice as much as you can and happy studying. Okay, thank you everyone.